Alright, so for someone who is taking their first step into the world of dash cameras, I don't think there is a better camera than the Nexdigitron ACE 3 right now. Because from my point of view, where I can see this camera is now available at a price of less than 5,000 rupees, yes, coming in close to about 4,900, and it presents itself such huge value for money proposition within that price bracket, which probably no other dash cam can match yet. That being said, this probably is the only camera which can offer you a dual channel setup under the 5000 segment, and on top of it, it's not just a full HD resolution, it rather offers you a quad HD 2.5K resolution from the front and a full HD resolution from the rear camera. So as said previously, this would be the most ideal dash camera to those who have like a budget of maximum 5,000 rupees and you want complete peace of mind, meaning you want coverage from both front and the rear of the car, and you want a slightly bumped up resolution than 1080p. The ACE 3 would be the perfect choice. That being said, one more value for money feature which Nexdigitron has included in the ACE 3 is its inbuilt GPS. Very few cameras, or should I say one or two more cameras, only offer you a GPS feature within that price range. Whereas some cameras can offer you an external GPS logger, the Nexdigitron ACE 3 has an inbuilt GPS logger, which means it can record the speed of your car. And wherever you're driving, the dash cam will be actively recording the speed, which means in case the dash camera is used, the video is used as evidence, you can easily prove that you were driving under the speed limit which is presentable for that particular road. One more cool factor of the ACE 3 is its super minimalistic form factor. Now Nexdigitron has taken a complete departure from their traditional designs and brought up the ACE 3 as a super minimalistic, a very simple and an elegant looking design. It has sort of a premium touch to it as well, but the rear camera is where the original design changes. It is a total step away from their traditional rear cameras as well. So this one gets a central tube of camera within it, gets a mount which covers the rear camera from both the sides. That being said, someone who is looking to have a simple and an elegant look for the front and the rear, the ACE 3 works in that aspect as well. One more feature which most people are like concerned about is the supercapacitor or a battery based dash cam. Now I do understand that most people do not prefer to buy cameras with battery, but that being said, practically there's no issue as such based on my experience and based on what I've seen. Nevertheless, if you're someone who prefers to have a camera with a supercapacitor, the good news being the ACE 3 gets a supercapacitor, which means it can theoretically withstand a very large temperature change from the hottest to the coldest. ACE 3 can handle it like a pro. And since this camera is from Nexdigitron, we all know Nexdigitron offers a lot of goodies, a lot of accessories for the cameras, including a CPL filter, a OBD2 based hardware kit which very few manufacturers provide, and a regular fuse tap based hardware kit as well. Now in my previous video I showed you all three accessories, and wherein especially the CPL filter is crucial for these sunny days wherein you might catch some dashboard reflection, some sunlight glare in the videos. CPL filter will help in removing that. And on top of it, if you're someone who is looking to get some parking monitoring out of your car, a OBD2 based hardware kit or a regular fuse tap based hardware kit provided by Nexdigitron as an additional accessory, this one checks all the boxes. Lastly, in order to like access the videos, view the recordings or change the settings of the camera specifically, you have the Dashcam app by Nexdigitron. So Nexdigitron has been using this app for many of their recent models, and the app is kind of, again, just like the camera, simple and easy to use. So the Dashcam app I've shown you in detail in my previous video. You can go ahead and check that out if you want to know all the settings of the camera and how you can change about all the settings and rest of the stuff. But the Nexdigitron ACE 3, I feel, presents itself as a total value for money prospect, especially in this Amazon sale wherein you can grab this at a price of less than 5,000 rupees using the SBI credit card discount. So do consider this camera because this offers you tremendous value for money, and do consider this camera if your maximum budget cannot stretch beyond 5,000 rupees for a dash cam for your car. And of course, you should always invest in a dash camera because we all know the kind of situation out there, the kind of traffic out there, and the road rage situations which have been happening very recently. So it's always recommended to have a dash camera at your disposal. It's always recommended to keep recording the events of your driving from both front and the rear of the car. No matter which dash cam you buy, no matter what kind of budget you have, always try to have some level of recording, and I think Nexdigitron ACE 3 can serve that purpose really well within that particular price range. So if you are interested in getting the Nexdigitron ACE 3, go ahead, grab it right now. The purchase link is given right down below in the description. And if you do have any doubts or queries regarding this camera, just write it down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in one or the other way, it's time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button of Gizmobeep right now. Smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking to buy themselves a budget dual channel dashcam which presents itself a huge value for money. Thanks for watching and ride safe.